Well, today I've got an absolute treat for you from kitsock.com. Yes, we've got some fantastic shirts from Liverpool Football Club. Yes, and not just shirts. If you want to dress to impress like Arne Slot, we've got his top for him as well. Let's go and have a little look, shall we? Yes, we have got some absolute crackers for you today. Now, not just Liverpool, this site does everything. Premier League stuff. If you scroll down through La Liga stuff, you've got all the clubs. You've got retro stuff. You've got NBA. Oh my word. Serie A is here as well. Football collections for everyone. They've even got football boots as well. Bundesliga. Fans picks as well. Ligue 1 and many, many more. Look at the absolute state of that place. Frequently asked questions, they got it all in here. But all you got to do, contact them by WhatsApp. You've got all of the options here as well. YouTube they're on as well. Everything and anything you can think of, they have got. And football boots, it's unbelievable. We've also got gift sets and stuff in here as well. And we're going to first of all start off with a fantastic shirt. Winter's coming, so why not get a long sleeve? I'm putting the green screen off today so we can see stuff, because some of these shirts are a little bit different colours and stuff, and the green screen doesn't really like it very much. But like I was saying, we've gone for a shirt with long sleeves for a change. Just a bit something different. Comes in the old Adidas bag, as you'd expect. But this one here, like we said, is a Liverpool one. It is also a player version shirt. Now, I've gone an extra size up, because what I always say with these sites, go a size up, because the sizing is a little bit on the small side. Now, I did get a player version shirt a size up, and it was a little bit clip. So I've gone for this one in a 2XL rather than 1XL. And we will try this on in a minute. So this is the away shirt for Liverpool. And being a player version shirt, I can just feel the quality is just so much better. It's an absolutely fantastic shirt. It's like rubberized down the, down there's like rubberized. We've also got the Champions badge, and down there's rubberized as well. We've also got no, it's not stitched actually. It's a heat pressed rubberized Adidas badge there. And we've also got a rubberized badge heat pressed on there for Liverpool as well. This is heat pressed on but not rubberized. Across the back, again, that's rubberized as well. We've also got the area where they have their bit in the neck for where they're wearing their shirts, their undershirt things. There's a bit of extra protection there as well. They think, because it's a player version shirt, it's just everything is thought of in here. It's all sort of mesh. Can we get that? Let's see if we can get an image. Yeah, there we go, look. So we've got like an Aero Ready mesh. In the normal one, you don't get that. You get the colour, but it's not got that special woven mesh in it. Tell you what, it is unbelievable. Now, it does cost you a little bit more. The away jersey in short sleeve, I think, is about 13. This was 23, but it is a player version. We've got the Expedia down there, and the weight is just, the whole thing is just so much better. But that there, kitsock.com has got you covered. Get your player version away shirt for Liverpool for this season for £23. That will set you back £105 normally. This is a player version shirt, and it is beautiful. And also, like I said, down there we've got the black as well. The woven stuff goes all the way down through. It is just beautiful. Now, the second one we've got for you today. Now, this is a little bit special. There's some weight in this, I tell you. Some weight indeed. We've got the old tissue paper. We've got a lot of tissue paper. Now, this here. Oh, my word. That is the player version tracksuit top that Arne Slot wears. He sometimes has the black one on, he sometimes has the red one on. Now that is absolutely beautiful. This is what you see in the press conferences. They're wearing these shirts. They are fantastic. We do have a proper Liverpool badge, which is stitched. We do have the AXA there. We have a stitched in Liverpool badge there. We don't have any of the Premier League badges or anything because they don't do it. This is simple as. They just do it like this. As it is what you see. It's simple, it's subtle, it's beautiful. You can also get these with tracksuits as well. I'll tell you what we'll do. I'm going to try on the player jersey a minute, just so you can see what it's like. Then we'll try that on as well to see what it's like, because that one I think was in an XL. So we'll just try these a second, just so you can see what the difference is between a player version shirt and a tracksuit top from kitsock.com. Now, as I said, I went for a 2XL rather than an XL, which I normally am. And my goodness me, it is an absolute perfect fit. That there is absolutely beautiful. The fit is perfect. Arm length is perfect. Everything's just the shoulders. You can see just that's top of your shoulder there. Everything's good. Through. It's just a beautiful fitting shirt. Absolutely stunning. I'm happy I went 2 sizes up rather than the usual 1 size because I think I would have been a little bit snug. That's for sure. Right, now let's play on that, get that jacket on. Let's try that a minute as well. I feel like Arne Slot. This, yeah. We need to win some, Arna, okay? Let's get that sorted, please. Right, now, that again is an absolute beauty. Now, this is in a 2XL, so that is fantastic. The shirt, the top, is an absolute cracker. Now, like I said, I will find it a second on the site for you, so we can have a little look how much that one costs. I can't remember what I paid for this one now. So there we go. There is the training tops. They're £17.32. You can also have them with the trousers as well, with the AXA across there. There are different versions. There's so many different ones on here. They're 20 quid. What an I tell you what, it is an absolute bargain. The stuff you can get on here is just unbelievable. That one there, 20 quid as well. It's just unreal. There we go, £22 for... They're like a shell suit ones. That's the kids ones. You've also got adults as well. I think that's the kids there. Adult one there, look, with the AXA across. There's just so much stuff in here. It is unbelievable. Now, I did say it's a Liverpool special, but we've got a little bit of special for my son. I've always got to have one in for my boy. He just loves it in here. He picks one every time we make an order. And, yeah, this is another club that's close to my heart. Not in England, though, this time. Now, being one for my boy, obviously they're going to get shorts with it as well. Now, this one, this time in a Puma bag. These ones, you might see it there. Look at that. What a badge. AC Milan. Yes, they come with the shorts as well. We've got a red band across the back there. Gone for the next size up for him. He's growing pretty quick. Puma logo there. Absolute cracker. And then the shirt. We have the latest and greatest shirt. This cost £18 for the children. But again, I've gone for a player version in the children's. Bet you didn't know that, did you? Kitsock.com. You can get player version shirts for your children as well. So the quality is better. They cost a couple of pounds more, but it's worth it in the long run. What a shirt. Now, Presley across the back. Didn't bother with a number this time. Milan. He's a Liverpool fan. He likes his number 11, but we're just going plain this time. And that there is the latest shirt from AC Milan. What a shirt it is. And like I said, being a player version one, it's just a bit more weighty. Hopefully, will withstand him a little bit more. We do have a beautiful badge there. We've got a stitched in Puma one there. Humour across the shoulder blades as well on both sides. As you can see there. You've also got the Serie A and the MSC there. It is a cracking actual... The one where they put his name on the back. It's a really thick heat pressed on one. That is beautiful. But there we go. Like I said, we did have a little special. We've got our Liverpool kit. I'm set for the winter. I'm not going to get cold. Thank you very much for coming along and seeing what we've got here. And without any further ado, please do like, subscribe and get notified to all the future uploads from the Preset channel. Maybe you'll see me more in this top. Maybe. It's an absolute cracker. But like I said, kitsock.com, contact them via WhatsApp and all that jazz. It is absolutely easy as that. Thank you and see you next time out. Goodbye.